I'm trying to get that wheel off without any serious contradictions here. Probably kind of heavy, but I don't know. I doubt it's got anything, any of that goo in there. But that son of a bitch, there's something on this one. Damn wrench. Keeps wanting to go bananas. Get out of here. Now let's see what happens here. What the hell is that? Not on the jack. There's a flimsy on it. Oh, there you go. Now, all we gotta do is see if we can walk it out of the way here. I don't like the way it's sitting on that jack. It's what I call precarious. I've got a jack stand under it, but oh shit. Here you go. Get over here. Get over here. Lean up there. That'll be good. Now, I might have to do a little research. I know you got to take this hub and everything off here, but some of them has got nuts and some's got bolts and it's got a square-headed bolt on it. That's a nut there. So I've got to check and see what we got to do here. You got one more bolt to take out there. And they had a Duke's mixture in there. One square head, one 5/8, and I guess the rest of them was 11/16. No, that's another 5/8. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now, the reason I wanted to get that crane rigged up is somebody said, "Oh, that's awful heavy. Probably going to have one to lift that," and they may be right. We shall see. A little bit of wear in the gears in there. Well, let's see now. I don't know exactly how to go about this, but I shall attempt to get a hammer. See what happens. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to put one of these bolts back in here and see if I can bang on it a little bit, see if anything gets loose. I don't want to break something or jam anything up. Well, there must be something I am not doing. Okay, I'm going to go in and do some research that and see what we can do. I don't know. I think it comes loose from here, actually, but I don't know. Probably fool around and break something. I don't know why it wouldn't come off there like that. I don't know. Most curious. I know the brake shaft is still on there, but looks like it'll pull out from the other side. But I don't know. Don't want to break an ear off there. Well, I don't know if that brake's holding or not. I just don't know. Now let's see here. Okie dokie. I don't know. I don't know if that brake has came out any over there or not. Move some junk out of the way here. think that just sets it in there. Okie dokie, okie dokie. See what happens in here. Okay. It's working out of there. Don't want to hit that bolt. There we come. There we come. That's what we was trying to do. Now, and I think that guy was right. It's pretty heavy. So, I don't know if it's impossible to take out by yourself or not, but we shall see. And oh shoot, bumped my head on that. Let me get some piece of plywood, but I don't. Maybe it'll work for this. I don't know. Put it up here if I can get it out. Well, let's see here. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. But now that'll sit there. Get away over here. Well, they was right. It's heavy. Oh yeah. Yep, it was heavy, but we did persevere. And a little public service announcements, or whatever it may be worth. If you smoke, quit. If you don't start. Or you're liable to be huffing and puffing like I am when you do a little nothing. Enough of the lecture. Now, let's stop and see what we got going on here. All right, this note, this wasn't coming off very good. I don't know if this is loose, or which way is loose, or which one's tight. I don't know how this even works. I've never done this before. So, let's see here. Still kind of tight there. It don't seem to be holding on the brake shoe, but I don't know. I don't know if you just, this is probably just a half turn or something. I don't know how that works. I know there's probably a cam in there, but I don't know. Let's see here. All right, back. Looks to me like somebody put all new brakes and hardware and everything in that, but this brake is wet from the oil. The other one's not too wet. It's reasonably dry if we get over and take a look at it. It's got some on it though. Well, I tell you what I did is I went and ordered brake linings, but I could use them, but we'd have to burn these things off and then drill holes, because these don't have holes for rivets. So I guess, I don't know if that's be hard to get off there or not, but need to clean something. I got that seal for that. There's that seal down there. Yeah. All right, well, gotta take time to think things over here now. I don't know why they poked a hole in here unless that was to take that out. And then they had a piece of cotton or something stuck in it. Well, I don't know. I don't understand the logic of that. I'm gonna see if I can pop this out of here since they already got a hole in it. Yeah, the new seal don't have that hole in it or anything. Let's see here. Get around here somehow or other. You get in here. almost too high. So maybe just use this to get it started with. Use this to start. I don't know if it'll work or not. Might not. Looks like that seal sits in there pretty tight. I'm not sure it didn't do any good. I don't know why it's so tightly in there. I think I'd pop that back up in there, but thinking and doing is two different things, I guess. Alrighty, looks like that might have worked. There we go. Oh yeah, well, I had plenty of grease in there. Alright. Yeah. Oh, there's supposed to be a bearing down there somewhere. Yeah, it's down in there. Alright. I don't know if I need to put any more grease in there. If you do, it'll liable to come out the backside. I might put just a little bit more in it. I don't know, but I might clean this all up first in here with gas and then do that, because I don't want to put a new seal and have gas or anything going down and around it. So we'll probably do that first. Alrighty. I'm mostly just going to look at this brake and see how it goes back together when I take it apart. So this is just a little FYI or FMI or whatever it is. I used a torch and sandpaper and didn't use any brake clean, but I think I'm going to be all right. Nothing bakes out of them now, and I tried not to get them too hot where they unbonded, but I think they're going to be okay. I think it'll be okay. I don't think they're that bad to where it'll hurt that much. You know, we're not going to be running too fast down the road anyway, just in case we need them in an emergency, but we'll try this, see what happens. Alrighty. I'm going to attempt to clean this hub out in here with some degreaser. Some people actually call this stuff gasoline. I don't know where they got that idea. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. This is one of the better grease dissolving agents you can get. And, I don't smoke anymore, so I don't worry about that. Although if I was smoking, I'd probably be smoking right now, because I've done it many of the times and then never had no problem. Oh, the first time. Yeah. I don't know what this stuff does here. I almost believe that's probably about good for that. Oh, come here, you. Come here, you. Attempt to pour that stuff in here without making too big of a mess. Oh, yeah. I say this is compatible to or comparable to a drum of a brake, big truck brake, as far as weight goes. Yeah, that's it. Fell off. Well, if it fell off, we'll just put you back on there, so I like to tell you. There. Up, Daisy. Up, Daisy. Up. Get on there. Get on there. Yeah, there. Now. Wipe it out with a clean rag. And yeah. And we'll allow it to dry. Because the gas is a little oily. Now I'll go ahead and later on I'll take a clean shop towel and go around it again. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think them brake shoes will be fine. Let's see here. That's just the inside. I don't think a whole lot needs to be done to this backing plate. It's not got any raw grease in it or anything. Probably gonna be getting that big heavy spring back on there. But we'll tackle it here shortly. I might take it in the house, not in the house, in the shed there. I have to get my lips all piled up there with too much stuff. Much junk that don't belong on there. Well, that's enough of the gabbing here. We're just burning up gigabytes here anyway. I put some grease in there, not a whole lot, because that'd be enough to work that bearing. It's not going to be moving that fast. Oops, and then we'll take a little bit of it and put in this in here, in the rubber part here. So it gives it a good start. Like that. Now then. Now I scrounged around in the pile of stuff I had, and I found a big old piece of pipe here, which I seen somebody else did this on their project. I hope it's pretty straight. I don't know if it is or not. I hope it ain't too dirty. I don't measure too much because I'll be going here. There's a little bit of dirt stuff in it. There's that. It needs to be fairly straight on there. Now, got to spend more time going back and forth and getting stuff. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, I don't know how straight it is. Oh, looks like a little far on this side. All right, wait a minute. Yep. Boy, it is dirty. Okay. That ain't working very good. That ain't working too good. I thought it'd be fine, but it's not. Okay. See what we got going on here. Let's see here. Yeah. All right. Gotta figure something out. I already ruined one seal trying to hammer the daggum thing in there, so I'm gonna try this different theory here with washers and stuff on it. That'll stay putting on that. Of course, that bolt or nut there is kind of, threads are not very good. Try to get them all down where they're on there. See, this one here needs a little more, something underneath it, I think. So it'll be a little more straighter. There's another lock washer to put that. There's everything except what you need. That's what I'm trying to say. Here's one. Now, let's see if that'll, it's pretty close to level. If I push it down, we're going to get a good start on it. That'll be the main thing. There. I don't know if it's going to work anyway or not, but I don't want to keep on mashing them seals. You go. Okay. Well, I tell you what, it'll work better if these bolts would turn better, but they don't. Faster moving would be better yet. These are all the ones that came off of it. That's not even pulling down yet. Still not. Start right there. This is my over here, I think. Pull it down a little bit if I can. That's probably a really hard one to move, but it is. All right. Let's see if I can start that a little bit there. I mashed it too much, just mashed it too much, I guess. Seems like it's going better, it's going pretty straight. This one here might be a little bit high yet, but I think what we can do now is take this thing, go ahead and take it in without messing up anything, because we got it pretty well. Oh, pretty well. It's a little bit higher right here. Maybe there's a touch more right here. And I think it's good. All right. This ice breaker don't have a kicker loose on it there. All right. All right. The only thing I need to modify this because the rest of it is touching that. Anyway. Well, if that don't hold, I think it should. Okay. There you go. Get up there, you go. I'm about done for the night, I think. It's 13 after 8 Central Standard Time, Thursday evening. And I think that's about enough of this silliness. I'm gonna go down to the Ford dealer tomorrow and get another one of these seals for the other side over there. I mean, I could order them. They're not that high, but well, they might be through the Ford dealer, but not on eBay. But I don't want to wait 5 or 6 days. It would probably matter if I take that one to everything else. Oops, wrong way. That's of course the heart of it. Then I'm gonna take the whole stud and everything out. I probably got bolts that fit that. I think there's coarse thread in the bottom there. Come on. Over the years, I put several seals in, and I've messed up one occasionally, but this has got to be most of the contrary outfit I've got a hold of. See, it rattles, but that's because it's down against that. I don't normally work that way. Make sure that seal's looking good there. Of course, it's too late to worry about it if it's not. Okay, well, we got that. And I think the brakes are all right. Because I heated them up the torch and all that. Well, anyway, that's it for now. We'll probably, I might upload this one in, because it don't run too awful long, you know. Time we'll get through cutting and whacking on this one. I don't know how long it'll be. All right, that's it for now.